there may be another location on the dwarf planet's surface, where cryovolcanoes are erupting. Salt deposits in a crater known as Urvara, discovered for the first time in a new study, were seen in close-up images from NASA's Dawn mission that orbited Ceres between 2015 and 2018. According to the research team, the salt deposits could be related to icy volcanoes, whose brine gradually rose to the surface. The implication is that there may be a salt source beneath the surface of the asteroid, such as a potential saline ocean, given that there are numerous zones on Ceres with salt deposits. The more significant implication is what water might mean on a world with a diameter of less than 300 miles, particularly in light of our current understanding of how Ceres and other, larger dwarf planets like it formed. The salts are noteworthy due to their proximity to organic compounds, which are the carbon-containing building blocks of life as we know it, as well as their potential to form cryovolcanoes. This is the first time that salt deposits and organic substances have been discovered together on the surface. The discovery of organics has significant implications for Ceres' overall geologic history as well as possible connections to astrobiology and habitability. According to the researchers' press release, the images revealed a geologically distinctly diverse landscape in Urvara that included sharp cliffs, a broad mountain range, terraced crater walls, and most significantly for the cryovolcano argument, bright material that resembled the salts discovered in the more well-known Urvara crater. Subscribe now for astronomy, cosmology, and science videos.